Hello mga ka-winner! Today, me and my husband are here in Columbus Air Force Base in Mississippi to witness the world-class air show featuring the Air Force Thunderbirds. Please come and join us! Columbus Air Force Base is home to the 14th Flying Training Wing and one of the busiest airfields in the Air Force. It has a population of nearly 3,000 military and civilian personnel. Its mission is to train world-class pilots. Located in the friendly city of Columbus, Mississippi, this U.S. military installation was built in 1941 when the War Department approved to establish an Army airfield in the area. While they stand ready to be deployed across the world at a moment's notice, today, our modern heroes take time to entertain and inspire the people with this two-day spectacular air show. This world-class aircraft exhibit and aerobatics demonstration is an avenue for us to see the amazing capabilities of our U.S. military Air Force in action and, of course, meet the pilots who fly these aircraft and the crews who maintain the equipment. Held every 2 years, today's event is dubbed as Thunder over Columbus Air Show. This full weekend aerobatic display showcases the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds, host of military aircraft, and breathtaking civilian aerial acts. I should say that I am fortunate and grateful to witness these jaw-dropping performances of KC-135 Stratotanker, F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, C-130J Super Hercules, and a lot more. My husband Jerry, who was a Green Beret and a Special Operations member himself and has witnessed countless air shows, said he has never seen anything like this before. Talking about the Thunderbirds, he said the speed, precision, and professionalism is surprising. There is no way we can lose a war with this Air Force capability we have, right?
Hey everybody, welcome to the air show. We have maps and souvenirs for sale over here.
that of your Air Force active duty, Guard, and Reserve personnel deployed around the globe. As our Thunderbirds taxi out to begin today's demonstration, the Thunderbird crew chiefs are already preparing for their recovery with the transition to the F-100 Super Sabre. In the early years, flying at supersonic speeds and creating a sonic boom was an accepted way to begin the demonstration. While supersonic flight is now prohibited, the Thunderbird tradition of showcasing America's frontline fighter aircraft and representing the pride, precision, and professionalism of all our 695,000 airmen continues today in the current team. With 31 different Air Force career fields, this team is a diverse group of exceptional airmen from all across this great nation.
Several new brave Thunderbird pilots were accepted and welcomed to the institution in today's air show. The crowd can't help but be astonished at their performance. Everyone was just not happy. They were smiling with great pride in their eyes.
Please join me in thanking the true heroes of our team and of the United States Air Force, our maintenance and support professionals.
Gustafson from Tallulah, Louisiana. And we're either speeding up or slowing down to keep station on the leader.
Curtis P-36 Hawk. They got them in the air to defend our country. See, 12 aircraft on the flight line were ordered to be wingtip to wingtip on alert for days with dust. They refueled and reloaded with 30 and 50 caliber ammo. Took off once again to fight the Japanese. Tora! Tora! Tora!
Congratulations and thank you so much, Columbus Air Force Base, and to all the sponsors for the huge success of this free admission world-class air show. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. To all my YouTube family and friends, thank you so much. What a spectacular air show, bringing pride in the sky. From Columbus Air Force Base, this is Anya Provido. Thanks for watching.